Hey y'all, out at the Good Guys PPG Nationals in Columbus, and I come across a 48 Chevy pickup truck that's mid-engine. It's got an LS motor. I don't know which one, but anyways, let me get down here and find it, and we'll take a look at it. Now, before I get started, I'm going to warn you, this thing could come to an end at any time. The music starts up, but this truck is way too cool not to shoot. It's a mid-engine.
One of the things happening right now, actually out on the grounds, is all of the contenders right now for our Street Machine of the Year, the Good Guys 2013 Optima Battery Street Machine of the Year Award, are all parading right now. And they're going to come down the manufacturer's midway and go
to that 1948 Chevy
AAA arch up there, and then make their way over to the autocross, where the contenders for the Good Guys Optima Battery Street Machine of the Year actually have to do three qualifying runs today. It's a prerequisite for the award if you're contending for the Street Machine.
Midlife crisis.
Use the car on the autocross course today.
Get you a shot of that.
We always kind of talk about Electric Car Appreciation Day when we parade these cars over there, so that's why we're doing this now. But Jim, I have something to point out and kind of a question. A lot of people out here with us today.
Corvette wheels on it.
The SEMA show in November in Las Vegas.
I don't know about that. That's the only thing I'm not sure about. But it's a beautiful build. It's a beautiful car. Beautiful truck.
On this Electric Car Appreciation Day, I mean, there's actual lobbyists. There's people on the SEMA payroll that are in Washington.
That green. Yeah, it fits, I guess. Kind of accents the rest of it. Center exhaust. Look at how they put them taillights in the tailgate. That's cool.
So what can we do as enthusiasts to make sure that we're doing the right thing?
I can't shoot it from that side, guys. Traffic and everything else. So, like I said, it looks like I got this one in. I'm so glad, because it is. I've never seen it. Mid-engine, 48 Chevy pickup truck, midlife crisis. Hope y'all enjoyed it. See ya.